Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Foton Tunland, stock reference number 5301. This shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through the 12th month 2020. It has a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, front bull bar with all fittings and filler panel, right hand headlight, left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror in chrome, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Bumper bar has a few scuffs on the right hand side. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has 3 small rust spots from where the tonneau cover is strapped on. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror in chrome and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.